respected headmaster, teacher, and my dear friends, I would like to speak in few words about Mahatma Gandhi. The complete name of Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and the people also called him Bapuji. Affectionately, Bapuji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai. Wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He got qualified as a lawyer in England. He launched the Satyagraha movement against Britishers and started another movement called him Quit India movement was started by him, which forced in produced or currency. He worked for social issues of caste and gender. Bapuji was killed on 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Forgive me. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.